Reading is one of the most powerful tools, which is why the Foundation funds the 21st Century Book Club grant for 120 at-risk students at Nims Middle School.
Well, here at R. Frank Nims Middle School, we have what's called the 21st Century Book Club, and it gives the students a chance to read books that have characters and situations and themes that kind of deal with their lives. And then we're going to match up the book with a movie. And the book we just finished is called The Hate You Give, which was award-winning best-selling book. 444 pages. It's the largest book that a lot of our students have ever read. They all enjoyed the book, and we're going to actually do a watch party of the movie at FAMU, and we're going to talk about all the situations and things that happened in the book and how that pertains to the real life.
Like, people like reading books, and then like if they read a book, they can understand what goes on in the natural and real world.
Got to read the book The Hate You Give, and I'm not really a fan of reading, but like this book, it was actually interesting to me, and I liked reading it.
The book club here at Nims has been very motivational for our students. We have 6th, 7th, and 8th graders that come 3 times a week in the mornings, and it has really inspired them to bring in other friends. They're reading at home, they're reading with their parents, and they're very interested in another book. So we're planning to order something else to keep them motivated to continue reading, because as we know, even in middle school, we still have issues with vocabulary, grammar, and just having an interest for reading.